Hello. Plant growth regulators. I think I've discussed. Hello. Hello.
No, sir. No, sir. We will not discuss.
I've not discussed.
The
Okay.
last we had written was plasticity.
Plasticity. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So plant growth regulators. You see. So if we go to the factors, what are the factors regulating that is the different means the development in the plants? So factors regulating development, plant development. Okay, plant development. So what are the factors regulating plant development? So here the factors mainly categorized into two types. Okay. So factors are categorized into two types. Two types. One is that is the internal. Okay, internal factor. Another one is external factor. Okay. So internal factor means that is plant factor, environment, and external factors means environmental factors. So these are the factors affecting. So what are the internal factors? Internal factors may be the plant factors, may be that is the intracellular, right, inside the cell. Another one, it may be intercellular. Okay, intercellular, right? So internal factors again categorized into two types. Intracellular, it may be with inside the cells or it may be outside the cell, intercellular. Okay, so intracellular are mostly genetic factors. So these are the genetic factors. Intracellulars are more being genetic factors. Okay, so intracellular may be genetic factors, right? So genetic factors here. So means these are the genes which are containing different types of information and at particular situation and particular environment and at particular conditions these genes are expressed and synthesizes regulate the different metabolic pathways and regulating the that is growth or development in the plant. Okay, like the plasticity, that is the developmental heterophyll. So developmental heterophyll means that regulated by the various types of path. So biochemical paths are there. So different pathways means biochemical pathways. These are regulated by the genes and causes different structures in the plant. So that is a plasticity cytochromes. So genetic factors are intracellular, internal, and factors. Okay, intracellular, internal factors. But what about the intercellular factors? Intercellular factors, these are mostly plant growth regulators. Okay, plant growth regulators. Plant growth regulators, or you can say that is PGR, or you can say that is the that is phytohormones. So phytohormones, these are intercellular internal factors. Okay, and go in detail about this. So in the just I will go in detail about phytohormones or plant growth regulators. These are intercellular factors and internal factors. Multiple choice question: which of the following statement is correct, or which of the following is a intercellular internal factors of the plant cell? So that is phytohormones. And the second, here you see, that is the external factors. External factors, that is environmental factors. Environmental factors also responsible for different types of growth. I've already told that in environmental heterophilia. Okay. So this the structure, the development, the growth regulated by the external factors. And example external factors, that is light, temperatures. So these are the examples here. Okay, so that may be light, that may be temperature, that may be water. Okay, that may be oxygen, that may be nutrients. uh, so these are the factors, nutrients. These are the factors, external factors: light, temperature, water, oxygen, nutrients. Okay, deficiency of nutrient causes different types of symptoms. Uh, Immensity also affecting the growth. Okay, oxygen also same, because it is means oxygen that is used in the respiration, aerobic respirations, very important factor, oxygen. And aerobic respiration, that provides energy. So water also causes growth, by the turgidity condition of the cells. Water also helps in expansion of the cells. Okay, so temperature, that regulating the different enzymatic factors. Okay, and light also here, it is very important for plant, as it is associated with the photosynthesis. Hmm. So these are the different factors regulating plant growth. But I will go in details about PGR, plant growth regulator. Are you clear about this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So next, I'll go in details about the PGR. Plant growth regulators, that is phytohormones, PGR. PGR, in shortcut, that is plant growth regulators. If we'll, what do you mean PGR? Means plant growth regulator. These are very simple molecules here. It is very simple molecules. Simple, and also the nature here, it is very many small, simple, small. Okay, small, simple, and the chemical composition, diverse chemical composition. Okay, so diverse chemical composition, chemical compositions, diverse chemical composition, simple, small, diverse chemical compositions. That is plant growth regulators. These are produced by the plant body. Okay, and in different conditions, in different situations. Okay, but phyto growth means the plant growth regulators, or you can say the phytohormones. So these are categorized into two types. Okay, so these are categorized into two types. So two types means one is here, it is on the basis of the activity. So they are categorized into two types. So one is that is the promoters. Okay, so means growth promoters. One is growth promoters. Okay, so one is growth promoters. Another one is growth inhibitors. Okay, and the one is growth inhibitors. So growth inhibitors. Okay, so growth inhibitors, growth promoters.